The 2018 Ram 3500. Ram 3500 is a solid option for truck buyers in need of hauling capacity and serious towing. With names like Hemi and Cummins under the hood, there's plenty of muscle to back it up. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power passenger seat, remote engine start, keyless entry, power sunroof, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, stability control, anti-lock braking system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, keyless start, floor mats, auto-dimming rear view mirror, four-wheel drive. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.